Hey there, Andrea Seydel here. I hope you're doing as good as can be. I always say I wish we were meeting under different circumstances, and I'm so glad that you found us. So, are you ready to get you back? I remember that I felt like I lost my way. I felt exhausted, depleted, and I was completely just losing my light. And I don't want that to happen to you. So, this is why I created this whole resilience program. So, we're here to honor the fact that life is going to present us with challenges. And when we love someone with an addiction, it is going to present us with a lot of challenges. So, this is hard to navigate. So, what if I told you that there was a wonderful way that you can struggle well, that you can actually bounce back effectively, efficiently, and save yourself? There's a reason on the cover of my book, if you squint your eyes, you can look at it. It stands out, saving me. That is what this whole entire resilience program, membership platform, everything that we have for you here, the podcasts, the support groups, the meetups, they're all meant to help you bounce back and to struggle well, because loving someone with an addiction is so challenging. So, Saving You is Killing Me, also known as SYKM, is a remarkable resilience educational program. It's a course. We have a whole entire signature SYKM course. We also have a platform and we have a community. And it's all geared towards the one thing that we all share in common, which is loving someone with an addiction. It is meant to empower you, and it's based on science and proven to enhance your well being, and it will enhance your whole entire life. So it's not just skills right now while you're in the muck of loving someone with an addiction, it's also skills for life. So the question is, are you ready for change? We are here to help lift you up. I am here to help lift. If you're feeling exhausted, if you're feeling alone, this is the program for you. So let me just tell you a little bit about how it works. So when you join the SYKM Resilience program and platform and community, you are basically becoming an SYKM member. You purchase a membership, and then you gain access to the course, which is the signature SYKM Resilience 8 module course that's filled with life enhancing curriculum. This is all my positive psychology training, and it's kind of put into real time resilience skills so that you can apply the learning to your life right away. It's a self-paced studied course, so you can follow all the videos, you can do the worksheets, and there's also suggested readings there as well. Then there's the whole community, which is the SYKM meetings. We have some nice, loving, well-being huddles. We also have a very robust private support group as well for our membership. Now, the platform, this is the really exciting part. The platform we call Live Life Happy Cafe. And this is a treasure trove of support. So it's past workshops, it's past webinars, it's recorded interviews, but then also the platform houses events. So every single month we have new events. So you are going to have access to all the upcoming webinars, all the mini courses that have already happened, plus all the new mini courses and webinars. And we have an exciting book club as well. Now, the really neat thing about the book club is that you can show up whether you've read the book or not. So it's an unconventional book club. I have a really big obsession with reading. And so what I do is I take these books, I suck out all the actionable nuggets, and I create what's called a mind map. And I mind map and pretty much present the book to you so that you can have those key takeaways. Because let's face it, it's sometimes hard to read all these amazing books that are out there. But if we can pull out the actionable nuggets and the key takeaways and apply the learning right there and then in our book club, then it's fantastic. So you gain access to that as well. So SYKM membership provides you with 24 access to the private support group, as well as the Live Life Happy Cafe, the whole platform full of book summaries, meditations, yoga classes, and all kinds of interviews that are going to be going on an ongoing basis. And we'll just keep the past recordings in there for you. The SYKM, we really do acknowledge when you're here that struggling well is essential to your well-being. So it's all about building up your resilience and your personal sustainability through all these wonderful intentional behaviors that become your lifeline. They become essential for you to save yourself, to take back your power, to make your sparkle, your light bulb. You know what, if you feel like your light has gone out, the good news is that there's definitely a light bulb there, so we can turn it back on, we can make it brighter, we can turn up the dimmer switch, and we can get you back, and we're here to help you. So you're not alone, you have community here, and together we can build your resilience, your mental toughness, your emotional well-being, and that ability to bounce back and even thrive eventually. So the best part is that resilience is a skill that we can learn, we can grow, we can cultivate, and we can make it better. So that is what this whole entire fantastic SYKM platform, the course, and the community is all about, is so you can feel like, we can get that light shining brighter, that we can keep you going. So join our community, become a member. It is so accessible. I made sure that it's not going to financially strap you. Our course is included in this membership, which is unheard of. It's amazing. There's so many resilience tools in there for you. And I just wanted to make sure that it's accessible to as many people as possible. So I would love, love, love to have you. I hope you become a member. And just remember, what to expect is that we're going to help you learn these skills proven to overcome adversity, to increase resilience, to build mental toughness, and to find more joy and peace in your life. So this is what the whole resilience program, course, community, and support system is here for. And we are here to help you. So please, please, please join us in the membership. I'm so excited to see you in there. And from my heart to yours.